bluegill. Keeper. There you go, guys, on the far pond again, ice fishing. Ice fishing as much as we can. Nice one. I'm gonna put him on the ice. Nice, nice. Ooh, another decent one. Let's see, maybe we'll keep him. Yeah, he's a little smaller, but he's still pretty decent. Keep what you get. This rod's nice, it's medium light. That tip, boom, boom, boom. You can see when they're hitting it. Yeah, let's see if we get some more. That's a nice one there. That's a good one there. Nice, beautiful bluegill. Oh, there he is. He's already on there. Yep. Ah, smaller one. They're down there. He's a little smaller. I'll keep him.
Nice one.
Yeah.
They look bigger coming through that
They
clear
do.
ice.
Ooh. This is what we're getting. Nice bluegill, farm pond bluegill. Dropping right on top of their heads. Well, not really. Dropping on the bottom. And seeing they can hit it. Small lures is what's getting them. Seems like they're in one specific spot, and that's the spot I'm at. There we go. We got 6 on the ice. I think I saw something come up for this fish too, like another bluegill. Throw this one back. Windy before a storm. They're hitting pretty decent. And they're a good thing for ice fishing too, like normal fishing. Small baits. Actually, my dad's changing colors because he's not getting them, unless it's the spot. But color has a lot to do with ice fishing, a lot. Let's see if we get any more. Maybe a bass or a nice crappie. Let's see. This guy was staring at it the whole time down there. Finally got him. There's another one down there too. Nice colorful bluegill. This is a keeper. Ooh. Ooh. Nice one. Be the last fish of the day. Yeah, keep his ass. Freezing my hands off. They're getting a little picky now. Alright guys, 8 fish so far for today. Pretty good day. I think that's gonna be it. Even they're starting to get a little picky now too. I have them on the screen for a little bit until they actually hit. Like I see some come, some go. Actually, I think there's one on the screen now. There is one on the screen. But they've been really picky. Ooh, look at that. Maybe it's up to last. This one feels pretty good too. Ooh. Throw him back. Pretty decent day. Gonna come back out. I don't know when. I think right there is gonna be the last fish. It's getting cold too. It's starting to snow too a little bit. But yeah, pretty productive day today. Little guy. Little guy. That's what's stealing my bait down there. New day, new fish. See if we get some more. I got live bait set over there. See what happens. Small guy. Put him back. Ooh. Decent one. Might keep this one. I guess we'll keep them. Not a bad one. There's a lot of them in here too. There's a lot of bluegill in this farm pond. Ooh. Ooh. That's a big one.
There you go.
Yeah, this is a good one here. There we go. Never mind. No, he's actually pretty nice. Yeah, he's pretty decent. Yeah. Oh, he's pretty nice actually. Oh shit.
Crappie?
No, look at this thing. There we go. Got a nice bluegill. My dad got 2 big crappie. Yo, put the GoPro on as soon as he was coming for it. Oh shit, it's a crappie. That's a little crappie. Look at this thing. Look, get him back. There we go. Finally caught my first crappie today. My dad catching a couple. Throw this guy back. Hello, guy. Yep. There we go. I'm marking them. There are a couple of them down there. Whoa, whoa. They're down there. There we go. Ooh. Maybe. Yep. There we go. Yeah, a little smaller one. We throw him back. Nice one. Nice. I'm shocked nothing's in my live bait. Yep. I think so. No, it's a big bluegill. He's fighting like a crappie. Yeah, keep him. He's pretty good. Another big bluegill. Another big bluegill. Wow. Big bluegills today. Nothing wants a live bait today. If I had more, I could cover more water, but I don't. Pretty fish. There we go. Nice one. That's another nice one. Nice big bluegill. Yeah. Yeah. Throw him back. There we go. Another one down there too. See if we get him. No, he is big. There you go. different color now. Yeah, this is a nice one. I'm keeping him. That's the ones we're getting. Pretty nice ones. Slowing down a little bit, but changing colors just to see what happens. Nice. Let's go. Let's see. This is something decent. Oh, he just came out of the hole. There you go, Dad. Nice one.
Bump it.
Bump it. Yeah, there you go. Add it to your pile. Nice. Look for me. What's up, buddy? Hey, what's up? What's up? Ooh, ha ha ha. You brought me some luck, buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. That's a nice one. You see it. What's up? Little dog, you brought me some luck. You brought me your luck for catch my bluegill. Thank you, buddy. You don't freak out. He's like, what the hell is this thing? There you go. Wow. Some big ones now. We're gonna have a big ass fish fry tonight, Dad. I'll keep him. That'll be it probably for me keeping him. Changing colors works great. Change it up, get some hits. Have an orange one on like my dad's jacket. You know, a lot of head shakes. It might be a crop. Wow, that's a big bluegill. This is a big one. You know what, buddy? It might be your lucky day because I think I'm gonna throw you back. Get back in, nice fish. He's pretty decent. Throwing him back though, pretty decent. Switching up colors makes a difference. There we go. Nice one. Get him back in. This guy. Nice one, but throwing him back. This might be one of the last fish of the day. Yeah, we got a lot to clean. Switched up and got one. See if we got a couple more. Just a catch, or maybe in one nice one. Pretty friggin' good day. Some really nice bluegill today. The nicer ones today than the other days. Really nice bluegill. Some big ones. Big bluegill me and my dad caught. Here's the crappie my dad caught. Really nice crappie. That other one, that nice bass he caught. Really nice bluegill. Look at palm your hand. I mean, look at that thing. Get back to the house. I've cleaned these things up. Trying to find the fish a little deeper today. That's what you got to do. Use different lures to get them. Different small jigs. Different colors. That's how you get them. So the flasher's so important to use. Okay, back home now, guys. Really great day of ice fishing. Got the big bluegill here. So this is how I flay them. In my previous catch and cooks, I go in like this, go down to the backbone, turn my blade, follow the backbone all the way down, flip it over, and cut the meat off the scale. It's pretty simple, but I mean, you will mess up, especially bluegill, a little bit smaller bluegill. Like this is a good one here, but some smaller ones you will mess up. It happens to the best of us. It really does. So I'm gonna get these fish clean. Great day, a bucket full of fish. You can't complain about that. Great day. It wasn't even that cold out too, so we weren't freezing our hands off. So great day. Get this fish flayed up. Well, all these fish flayed up, and yeah, should be. This is gonna be a hassle, but should be pretty good. Got the fish clean up here. Cutting board's a mess. You know it's a good day of fishing when and cutting board's a mess. That means you got a lot of fish. You cleaned a lot of fish, so gonna cook. Now we're not gonna cook all these up. Still don't know what to do yet. Probably grill them, but I'm gonna save some for later on. But yeah, it should be really good. All right, guys, got the fish on the grill now. All we did was all seasoning, Old Bay, black pepper, and lemon juice. Can't really beat that. I just decided to do some fish today, so I'm like, just do something a little quick. And this is a perfect thing to do quick. You can't beat grilling fish. It's quick, easy, and it tastes great. So let these cook. It won't be that long, but yeah, really good. Great day of fishing. Great day of fishing. Both of these days. First day was a little slow. It was a little weird that day. There was a storm coming. Then we fished after the storm, and it was a very successful day. My dad did great. I did great. We both did really good. But again, this won't take long. And yeah, you'll know when these are just about done. They'll start breaking apart easily. Yeah, it should be really good. All right, guys, you can see the fish is just about done. It actually probably is about done. Color change, more white. They're starting to break apart easily, but again, I can tell that's how, like this one right here. This one's breaking apart pretty easy. That's how you can tell they're done. But overall, I mean, great dinner. But yeah, overall, great day, guys. Just want to say again, this is typical ice fishing. Like the first video I made. You get them here and there a couple of times. Then there's some days where you blast them like how we did today. We went out a little bit deeper and we found them, and that's how we got them. So like you gotta find out where they're at most of the time for ice fishing. That's fishing overall, but especially ice fishing. There could be one hole literally right here, then 10 feet away, you might kill them. Like it's this ice, that's ice fishing. It's just in the ice fishing fish finder, the flasher, they come in handy. They really do. I love the flasher. It's just so fun using it. Keeps you occupied when you're jigging. It helps you out to locate the fish. But again, small jigs, that's how we caught them all. That's how I usually catch a lot of bluegill, and it's bass and crappie too, so it works for everything. But anyways, guys, that's how you catch fish through the ice. Catch and cook some really nice bass, bluegill, and a little bit of crappie, and yeah, should be a really great dinner, and really overall great day, guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.